You're welcome to Beauty Mountains Images. Kindly subscribe to learn more of graphic designing. We are going to retouch this photo. This is before, and this is after. Let's start. Hold down Ctrl or Command key, and press J key 2 times to make 2 copies. Hide the visibility of the bottom layer, we will not use it but it serves as a backup. Now hide the first layer, and select the second image and let's start editing. Come to Filter, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Start from 0 and increase the radius gradually until the photo is blurred slightly. The amount will depend on the quality of your photo. Don't blur it too much. Let's take 7 for this photo. Show the first image, select the layer and come to Image tab. Then choose Apply Image. Change the layer from merge to the blurred image. Then the blending to subtraction. Set the scale to 2 and the offset to 120. Now change the blending mode to linear light. As you can see, it looks like the original image. This is what we call frequency separation. We have the high frequency which is at the top and that contains the textures of your photo. And low frequency which is beneath and also contains the tone of your photo. Now hold down Shift key and select the 2 layers and group them. We name them frequency separation. FS. Select the high frequency and choose Clone Stamp tool. And zoom in. Hold down Alt key, and click a clean part of the skin, to take a sample and use it to cover the spots. Keep doing this until you clean everything. Use bracket keys to resize the clone stamp. Now let's compare and see what we have done so far. Take a look, we have successfully removed the blemish. Let's zoom it to observe it well. Now come to the low frequency which contains the tone of your photo. Choose the lasso tool, and increase the further to somewhere 16. Draw to make a selection. And go to Filter, Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Play with the radius, to get a smooth skin, the way you want it. "10 is very good in respect to my photo." Press Ctrl or Command D to deselect and repeat this. When you look here, you can see you can apply the Gaussian blur using this shortcut. So I am going to use it. Please be very careful when you get to the nose. Wrong application can change the person's face. So begin from 0 and increase bit by bit until you still have the highlights on the nose. Now, let's see what we have done so far. It's time to work on the eyes and the teeth. Come to Actions. If you don't have it here, come to Windows and enable it. Eyes and Teeth Whitening. This is a plugin. Download for free. Open and choose the photo filter. Select brush tool and make sure the foreground color is white. Use bracket keys to resize your brush. Begin to color the eyes. Reduce the opacity to make it look very natural. I will keep it at 55%. Add new layer and select the brush tool. Set hardness to 0. Press down Alt key, and select a sample of the brightest part of the skin. Paint to reveal the highlights. Change blending mode to soft light, and reduce the opacity to 30. Come to Adjustments, and choose Brightness and Contrast, and adjust the brightness. Then add some vibrance. So this is before and after. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I am committed to bringing you the best. Subscribe and share to others to watch and follow as well. I will see you in the next tutorial. Shalom.